Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NVCN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just the past 2 days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame. I think that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've done this analysis, I don't remember the last time, but the nice thing about my chart provider software, whenever I put up annotations, it remembers where they were. So, last time I did it, I was talking about $1.30 as resistance, and, $1.15 as support. But now that the price is way up here, both of these lines, sure, they still pertain to the chart, but they're not relevant anymore. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion. So I'm just going to go ahead and use these lines for, the newer, annotation marks. So as far as resistance levels are concerned, key level going into tomorrow right up there at $1.70. That's essentially as far as the price could make it today. I realized a few times the price didn't quite hit that level, but I think we can all agree that the main point of price congestion definitely right up around $1.70. So that'll be public enemy number one going into tomorrow. What about levels of support? The ideal level of support, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price can stay up above this breakout point right there at $1.64. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below $1.64, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, preferably speaking, if the price can manage to stay up above there, that would be a huge sign of power for sure. Next level of support after that, right here at $1.45. And then taking a step back and looking at the big picture of things and really kind of just simplifying, kind of the strength gauging, if you will. If you're somebody that's just saying, look, Clay, I just care about the health of the overall move. I mean, this right here being defined as the move, and I just want a way to gauge the strength or lack thereof, then that is where the purple line here comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword there being moving. So as time goes by, that purple line is just going to keep on moving itself higher and higher. So very straightforward way to approach this. As long as the price stays above that purple line, as the line itself increases higher, then the bulls are in full strength, the bulls are in full control, full health. However you can best visualize that, no questions asked. So very nice move today, and as long as the price keeps on building those higher bases and staying up above that purple line, the chart will take care of itself. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.